fun all the time.
Alrighty, you guys. So, you know I have been looking for some wall art to go right next to my giant blue flowers, and I've been looking and looking, but there's not much like that I want. Like, I've been looking and looking, and I can't find anything that really matches my vibe and what I want for my room. So I have decided I'm going to paint it myself. I haven't painted in a long time, but I'm really good at blending colors together. So we're headed to Walmart. We're gonna find a decent sized canvas and paint away. Hopefully I can find the right yellow that I want. That's why I'm wearing this bright yellow scrunchie on my wrist, because it matches the other flowers and the other yellow pieces that I have in my room. Okay, you guys, I felt so dumb. I was looking around everywhere in that Walmart and I couldn't find a thing. And I was like, I swear I've seen them here before. Maybe it wasn't that Walmart. I don't know. But I'm headed to Hobby Lobby next because I know for sure they'll have it and we should be fine after that. I don't know if I'll have time to paint them today, but I'm hoping that we have time. I really am, because then I can let it dry all day today and I can hang it up tomorrow. I just don't want to wait. That part of my wall looks so bland. I hate it. Ugh. Alright, you guys, finished in Hobby Lobby. It was pretty busy. Like, people were shopping for fall decorating and Christmas. People were buying Christmas stuff already. We're still in October. Relax. But anyways, we're just gonna do a quick little haul. Sorry, I'm super sweaty. It is still hot in Texas, even though we had that chilly weekend, which I loved. But first thing I got was this giant 18 by 24 canvas, which was $13. Not that cheap, but a lot of stuff was on sale, so my overall total was about like $23, which love that. I saw a lot of prints in this size online, and I figured it'd be the best size to go up on my wall because it's a little bit smaller than the painting I have right now, but I think it'll go really well. And then, since I'm not going to be too detailed with it, I just got one brush, because their brushes are not cheap. I just got one brush. This one was $8, and I'm just going to blend all these colors together, and we'll see what we can do. I'm not the best painter, but I can blend colors, and that is all due to makeup. Have that to thank. So, my base color is going to be this kind of bright yellow. As you can see, it goes really, really well with the color that I'm looking for. But if that's a little bit too bright, I got this one to mix with it. So these colors are the cadmium yellow, this one is the light hue, and this one's the deep hue. So hopefully we can get exactly what we want out of those. And I did grab a gold because I wanted to have some gold accents in there. I couldn't really tell how gold it was in the store, but in the light you can kind of see it reflecting a little bit. So, and then of course a white. to go underneath all these colors. That way if something isn't blending right, I can just add a little bit more white because it's the base color and it's not going to ruin the whole painting. Hello. It is about 2 a.m. I haven't been able to sleep. The creative juices are really flowing right now. Like, all I'm thinking about is the way I'm gonna paint. So instead of just waiting until the morning, we're gonna do it in the middle of the night. 'Cause that's just who I am. Okay guys, so first things first, you need to make sure you grab all your stuff. I have 2 trash bags that I'm gonna cut up and lay on the floor so I don't get bright yellow paint all over this hardwood floor because my mom would kill me. And then I have some paper towels just in case I make a mess. I can clean it up real quick. And I have some Clorox wipes in my closet just because I'm always cleaning, so might as well have it by myself. And then I have 2 paper plates just to hold the paint. One's going to be for the solid paint and one's going to be for the colors that I'm going to mix together if need be. And then I showed you guys all the paints and everything that I got earlier. So let's get started. It is the following morning, you guys. The painting is completely dry and honestly it turned out really, really good. I'm like so excited to hang this up. I really am. So I think that I'm just going to be using thumbtacks because it's a very, very light canvas and I don't want to make giant holes in the wall. It's gonna go right here in between and a little bit down. So I need to put up some tape or something so I can measure it out, make sure it's straight. Alrighty, you guys, so I think the painting is all done. It looks amazing in my room. I'll go ahead and show an overview of how it goes, how it looks with the whole room, but this was amazing. I would love to do this again. That's it for right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this painting with me video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!